Miss Patty Cake, I am so sick of pouring syrup all over you because every time I make you, you always come out delicious. I mean, seriously, stop doing that. And I am so sick and tired of you, Miss Pancake. Because every time, not only do I have to make you, but I have to literally flip you over on your side a few times. I mean, seriously, that's a hassle. All I gotta say is, Miss Patty Cake, you need to stop making me flip you all the time. Cause it's not my dang job to flip you. I mean, seriously, Patty Cake? What am I saying? It's pancake, not patty cake. Oh wait, it is Patty the Cake. Why am I saying Patty the Cake? I don't pat the cake like this. That's patting, okay? That's patting. I don't pat the cake. It's called pancake, not patty. Not patty cake. This is patty, okay? So, you know what? I am so sick of you. Goodness. Can't you get some extra Miss Patty Cake? Shit. I mean, seriously? Cut the shit, Miss Patty Cake. Like I said, I'm sick and tired of flipping you over constantly in that darn skillet. I mean, seriously? Ooh, you patty cake. How dare you? By the way, make sure that you say hi to Betty Crocker for me, okay? Yes, I just triple snatch your ass. Thank you and have a nice motherfucking day, bitch. Yes. And this is the Silly Sassy Samantha show. And this is Sassy Samantha saying, if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and like in the bio above. And basically, it's that little icon, that little YouTube symbol. So, yay. Bye-bye.